How to turn on open links in default browser. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on your Facebook Messenger the option of open links in default browser. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger app, click on your profile, scroll down and click on photos and media. Like you see, you have the second option, which is open links in default browser. Click on it and turn on this option. And this is how you can use open link in your default browser. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.